How to unfriend someone on Snapchat. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can unfriend someone on your Snapchat. Now let's get started. First things first, open up your Snapchat. After you open it up, just go to your chat section. Now right here, just find the person that you want to unfriend. Now tap on the bit emoji of that person and now you'll be on your friend's profile. Now before we move on to the next step, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's continue. So after you're here, what you'll need to do is tap on these three dots on the top right. After you tap on it, you will see the settings right here. Just tap on manage friendship. Now here you will see the remove friend option. Tap on remove friend and confirm this, and after you do that you will have unfriended this person on your Snapchat. So that is how you do it guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and don't forget to like this one. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comment section below and I'll reply to it. And yeah, that is all.